Yo, what up guys? Deep 3 here with another Deep 3 reviews. Today we are doing an Elite Trainer box for Evolving Skies. I've also ripped a booster box if you haven't seen that. Link will be in the description. Yeah, we've only got one of these here today. Did not get the Espeon and, Vaporeon box in yet. But that's coming in through the Pokemon Center. So I bought these at my LCS, local card shop. And I think they're selling them for like 60 bucks a piece. So I thought, oh, hey, you know what? Content for you guys to see. Let's check it out. Slide this right off. Ooh, so it looks like there's going to be unique ETBs for each one. Each set of 4, which is going to look really nice with all my other ETBs. Love the colors on it. And this is the player's guide. It's going to show you all the game rules, all the polls. Fun stuff for the kids. But me not a kid, so hoping we can pull a Gyarados here or an alternate art. I'm a Gyarados fan, so glad I just saw him in that set, just flipping through it. Colorful cardboard there. Yeet it out. Game rules. Who needs rules? Throw that out. Energy pack. Come on. And okay, we got the tabs here. That's what they look like. I like that a lot. Ooh, how many packs are they giving us in here? Oh, damage burn counters, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, here are the sleeves. I like that a lot. And I think that's it. Oh, dice, of course. Some random looking dice. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. That's what they have in the ETB. Nothing too different from what we know now. Hopefully we can hit something nice in these 8 packs. So far, booster boxes, whack, in my opinion. Hopefully ETBs are better. And slide that out there. Code card out. And forward to the front. Fighting Energy. Spirit Mask. Gordy. Braviary. Slack Off. Flabebe. Carvana. Dwebble. Mareep. Digging, gloves on the reverse, and at the end of this one, Tropius. Starting off quiet, I see. Another code here. Boom. Oh, fire. Gold Duck. Bow Strike. Rabambe. Hitmonlee. Tentacool. Pikachu, and well, some other stuffs. Herdier, reverse, and anything here? Okay, Trevenant. That's a way to warm up. That's a good looking card. The V cards have really stepped up though. Man, look at that eye. That red eye is very eerie. I like that. Yeah, definitely V cards have taken a big step forward. Even if I don't hit the alternate arts, pretty happy. Oh, green code card, there you go. And forward to the front, and we got nothing on this one, so we can speed through it. That's cool. Bag on, Love Disc, C-Dot, Tropius, and Milotic. By the way, if any of you are playing Pokemon Unite, Blastoise is finally coming out. Can't wait to play that. Just 2 more days. Okay. Alright. There's a code card there. Let's guess water. No, of course not. Steel. Herdier, Spirit Mask, Papatoad, Petalil, Dino, Teddiursa, Feebas, Hoppip, Gigalith on the reverse rare, and Thievul. I actually do not have one yet. That's the one rare case where I'm okay with it. Dang, we're halfway through them already. We only have 1 hit. Oh, green code card, of course. There's that. There's the water. Lombre, full face guard, Cutiefly, Pikachu, Applin, Lillipup. Just dying here. It's a drought. Mareep reverse, Appleton. It's a weak box. What can I say? It's a weak box. Might have to open another one. Oh gosh. Darkness Energy, Skip Plume, SQ, Elemental, Slackoth, Gossifleur, Fletching Chinchou, Tentacruel, Reverse, and Pinsir. Yo guys, my luck with Pokemon is pretty poop. You know? It's just not there. Code card there, green again anyways. You know, why even bother? Lightning Energy, Shelgon, Lillipup, Nickit, Bergmite, Rug and Roll It. This box is washed. You know what? It's washed. We need to rip another one. Let's see here. There's that. Can this pack make up for it? Please? 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 Altaria. Reverse Rare. Drampa. Timeout. We don't just walk away after opening that type of garbage. That's not how it rolls here. Round 2. Bless you, bae. Eight more packs, guys. We can't go out on a drought like this. Nuh-uh. I ain't down for that. Fire Energy. Tentacle. Boldor. Aroma Lady. Nickit. Bergmite. My luck can't be this bad. It can't be this bad. I cannot right now. As some people would say it. That's a nice reverse rare. Literally, I like literally cannot. These pulls are cockamamie. There's something here, right? Okay. Come on. Let's see it. Carvana on the reverse. Please. Flareon VMAX. Finally something hot. It's a hot dog right there. The Fire Boy. Max Detonate. And we will take it. You know what? Can there be more in this? 5 packs left. You know what? Flareon VMAX can go right next to the Jolteon one that I have. Maybe we'll collect those instead. Because apparently... Oh, wow. Maybe I jinxed it. Maybe this box has more to offer. Who knows? Let's see. I have a feeling it's just going to be a holo. Pumpkaboo. Bagon. Shelgon on the reverse. And, yeah, it's just Galarian Moltres. Already have one of those, but you know what? That's one of those that I don't mind having multiple holos of. Ah, green code card. Jump Pluff. Reverse rare. Last 3 packs. And then I'll be done for real, okay? Let's just do it like this. Oh, Galarian Articuno. You can get it like this, reverse? I guess so. Oh, Slacking. Do not have a Slacking either. You know what? He gets to sit in the back. Oh, not a single Gyarados, though. Harder to pull than I thought. Harder to pull than I thought. Oh god, green code. Okay, Pout on. Yikes. Last pack. Rayquaza. Dang, I seen everyone's crazy luck, and now I'm just like, where's mine? Ah, it's green. Well, this was not a good opening. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.